trying to be copyrighted yet. But you know, I don't give a FUD either way, Elmer, because that's what we do. We got to buy me a coffee for the monetization, and as long as YouTube lets that video stay up, we be up. Here, let me hit him with a what's popping. Hit him with the 2 buckets of popcorn. It's always 2 buckets of popcorn. That's one for the host and one for the chat. Shouts out to the people in the chat, because you always get you a bucket of popcorn too. You dig? You dig. There it goes right there, 2 of them. And then we're going to hit him with the elevation. To all. You dig? That boy goated. Anyways, and then I'm going to step up out of this chat, because, you know, that's how we do. We just going to be in and out, because we still got stuff we doing at the moment. But hell, he's going to appreciate that. Let's go to the playlist, because we finna get ready for our video. What the J say? Shout out to my level 1 Buy Me a Coffee member, the J. Well, nah, if you got the standard mod, and then you have the other mod, but the other mod can actually post content and do stuff like that. So that's why I said you got to know what they do. I don't need to give you too much ability to do stuff to my channel, but you can go ahead and hit them 3 dots and network as much as you want. Because, you know, we 24/7 networking over here, baby. Shout out to the big homie DJ Is. Y'all know to go check him out every day. The boy got beats. If you don't like the beats, you tripping. And you'll find when you do, like, sooner or later. You just got to look for it, right? Right. Let your little inner beat specialist speak to you, though. Which one of these am I going to get? Boom. Shout out to the wild hemp natural wraps. Y'all know we do the wild hemp naturals. You see what I'm saying? Hemp wraps all day, baby. Come 4 for $1. DJ Tiny, you already got a shout out, but I appreciate you showing up. You're going to have to rewind the video to see what I said about you. But it's a good thing I talk good about people, because then when they pull up, they got a reason to hit their rewind. Hey, shout out to DJ Tiny. We was kicking it over there last night. I was on both accounts. I came through with TWP, then I came through with Spider Pig. You know how we do. Double tap on the likes all day. I ain't even gonna break that down. Nah. I'm just put that back over here. Get out the way. Get out the way. But anyways, let's get to some videos. That way we can get to the green room. That way we can keep shit popping. Nah. That managing moderator can actually do a lot of stuff, because I have the cultivation channel and Spider Pig. So when I don't feel like actually logging into those accounts, I can just do whatever I want to do from all 3 of my accounts, because they have accessibility. Just like I had learned that initially from Izzy and Scully. Shouts out to those 2 people. Shouts out to Izzy Pop. Y'all know to go check her out if you need something designed for you. But yeah, they taught me that scheme, because is you give managing opportunities to a person, they can do a lot of stuff for you. That's just like when companies hire people to work for them, and then they give them a managing moderator, so that way they can just do it from their account for you, though. You dig? But that's one of those behind the scenes things that we all need to learn at some point. Shouts out to Heather J. Hopefully you still live, because I seen you was going in this morning, but I was posting this video on Spider Pig right before I did this live, so I didn't actually get a chance to step through this morning before I came in to mine. But I did give you this shout out, because like I said, you go back to the beginning of my video and I gave everybody shouts out. DJ Tanya got a shout out. Heather got a shout out, because Heather was live. So y'all know how we do. Go check out Heather though, because she might still be crafting and you might want to learn something. But anyways, let's play them all. I forgot I muted this. Hey, you going way too hard to paint, bruh. Start it over. Unmute. Y'all ready? I'm rolling up, so y'all gotta wait. Said, nah, Popcorn, don't tease us. Don't start the video and then pause the video because you forgot to finish rolling up.